Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your CashApp PIN on the CashApp application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application on your smartphone. If you have a PIN set up, then you will be asked to enter your PIN. So just go ahead and type in your PIN or use your passcode. In case you forgot your PIN, you can tap on the Help button. Now you will see an option which says I forgot my cash PIN. So just go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to enter a verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just go ahead and check your inbox and you will find your confirmation code. Just type it in and tap on the next button and you will now see an option which says you need to contact support to reset your PIN. So just go ahead and tap on Contact Support and you will be taken to the CashApp support page. Just scroll down and you will find the Contact Us section. You can either call them directly or you can start a chat with the support team to go ahead and reset your login PIN. And there you have it. That is how you can reset your login PIN if you have forgotten it on CashApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.